When you go to build a website, you got a couple different ways to go about it. One is using open source content management systems such as WordPress and Drupal, and I'll talk about that at another time. But one of the other ways that a lot of people go is choose one of these online website builders, okay? And so one of those might be, for example, Wix is very popular. GoDaddy has a website builder. There's one called Weebly. Squarespace is very popular. And even Google, Google has Google Sites, which you can put together a website using that. And so I just give you a quick little rundown on these. The Google website, Google Sites, most people don't have much success with that. It's really very limited what you can do. If you just need a placeholder website, you can go ahead and do something with that until you find something better. But Wix and Squarespace right now are kind of our favorites if we have to use one of those. The thing about using any of these website builders is they're very kind of closed systems. There's not a lot of options. You pretty much just go with the options they give you, and you can get a decent website up and running. But if you want to do anything specific or in particular, you may be very limited using even Squarespace and Wix. They're just very limited as to what they're going to let you do. So consider building your site with one of these, and then my higher recommendation is going to be to use open source. But if you're interested, go ahead and check out some of these website builders.